Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore Liberty Earbuds, delivering rich, detailed sound with deep bass and crisp clarity. With advanced noise isolation and a secure, comfortable fit, they're perfect for everyday listening. Plus, stable Bluetooth connectivity, long-lasting battery life, and a compact charging case make them ideal for music, calls, and all-day use on the go. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Liberty Earbuds, charging case, extra ear fins, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, product features. These earbuds are tuned to deliver a powerful and well-balanced sound experience. You get deep, punchy bass that adds energy to music, clear and natural mids for vocals, and crisp highs that bring out fine details in every track. Whether you're listening to songs, watching movies, or taking calls, the sound remains immersive and consistently clear. Built with an ergonomic in-ear design, these earbuds are made to sit comfortably without causing pressure or discomfort. They fit securely in your ears, making them suitable for long listening sessions, workouts, or daily commuting. With different ear tip sizes included, you can easily choose the one that gives the best seal and comfort for your ears. Designed for all-day use, these earbuds offer extended playback time on a single charge. The included charging case provides multiple additional recharges, so you can keep using them throughout the day without worrying about battery running out. This makes them ideal for travel, work, gaming, or long entertainment sessions. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth technology, these earbuds ensure a strong and stable wireless connection. Pairing is quick and seamless, and the connection stays steady even when you move around. This results in smooth music streaming, lag-free video playback, and clear voice calls without frequent interruptions. Technical specifications. How to wear. Begin by selecting the silicone ear fins that best fit your ears. The earbuds come with multiple ear fins, so you can pick the one that offers the most comfortable and secure fit. A proper fit not only enhances comfort, but also improves sound quality, giving you deeper bass and clearer audio. It also helps block outside noise naturally, so you can enjoy your music or calls without distractions. Gently place the left, L, and right R earbuds into your respective ears. Make sure the markings match each ear to ensure proper stereo sound. If necessary, twist the earbuds slightly while inserting so that the tips sit securely in your ear canal. This ensures the earbuds stay in place during daily activities, workouts, or commuting. Once in place, check that the earbuds feel stable but not too tight. The main body should rest comfortably in the outer ear, while the ear fin sits securely along the natural curve of your ear for extra support. You can make small adjustments by gently rotating or shifting the earbuds until they feel snug and properly aligned. How to pair? Start by downloading the Soundcore app from the App Store or Google Play. This app unlocks extra features like EQ presets, touch control customization, and additional settings to personalize your listening experience with the Soundcore wireless earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the charging case, and they will automatically enter pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for your device in the available devices list, and select it to connect. The earbuds will then be successfully linked to your device. Once connected, open the app to confirm pairing if prompted. From there, you can adjust sound settings, choose EQ presets, and customize touch controls based on your preference. After setup, your earbuds are fully ready for music, calls, and everyday use. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.